Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm making a very healthy leftover rice recipe which can be made into a dinner, snack or breakfast. Now this is a instant dokla recipe. The ingredients list is given in the description box below. So to make this, I've taken 1 cup of leftover rice, 1/3 cup of curd and 1/4 cup of besan or gram flour. I've just grinded all of those ingredients together in the mixie into a paste. I'm adding some semolina or rava to this along with some ginger and green chilli paste and some finely chopped coriander leaves. Into this goes salt to taste, some powdered sugar. Mix everything together. And now I'm adding a tempering of oil, mustard seeds and white sesame seeds. And once you're ready to steam this, just add some fruit salt and add half a cup of water to it. Mix into a batter. Now I've taken a dokla plate which I've greased with oil. I poured the batter into it and I'm going to steam it for 10 minutes. Once it's steamed for 10 minutes, I'm going to sprinkle some red chilli powder as well as some pepper powder on top. Use freshly ground pepper if available. And then let it cool down before cutting it into wedges. So I'm now going to just cut this into wedges like this. And you can serve this with some hara chutney. Make sure you serve them hot. So do try this recipe at home and let me know in the comment section. I'll see you next time with a new recipe. Until then, bye bye.